Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today we will learn how to print data in Microsoft Office Word. For this we will open Microsoft Office Word. First I will fill some data here with the help of rand function. Like this I insert 5 paragraphs. Now we will click on Office button and here we will click on print. Print command will open print dialog box. It contains various options. First is name. Here we have to select printer name. This list will show all the printer installed in our system. So I'm taking this printer. It is not a real printer, it is a software, but we can print our document data with the help of this printer. So I'm saying okay. This file will printed. I'm saying it with the name of print. Now we have to save it at a location, so I'm selecting desktop and here I am creating a new folder, printing document. Double click this folder and save this file here. So we can look here, file has been saved in this folder. Like this we can print data with the help of print dialog box. Now if we want to open print dialog box with the help of shortcut key, for this we can press Ctrl P. So Ctrl P we can use to print data. Second thing here, properties. We can set properties of this printer, XPS document. If we say XPS document, automatically open XPS document using XPS Viewer. It means when we will print this data, print to, as soon as we will print data it will automatically open. But if we close this option, okay, that file will not open. We can look here at desktop, file is created, file 3, but is not open. So it is one more property that we can set here. Go to properties, okay. Now if we will print data, it will open automatically just after printing, like this. Next thing, Ctrl P, properties. We can set paper size, paper direction. I am taking landscape, so it will print our data in landscape direction. But it's not printed in landscape direction. Some formatting it did over here. So if you want to print data in landscape, we can set it from here also. We will go to page layout and here landscape direction. Now we'll press Ctrl P and say okay, landscape. Now data is printed in landscape format. Next is these are the printer properties that we discussed. Print to file. If we want to save data as a file, suppose we have no any printer at the moment, so we want to save data in a file, then data will save to a file. Click on this desktop, printing folder, and here I am saying print file. So data will be saved in a file format. It is print file, and we can print this data on the printer afterwards. Now we'll close this option so that we can data print on this XPS document item. So like this we can select a printer, we can set printer properties, and we can print data to some file, and with the help of find printer we can select printer from the system if some printer installed in our system. Now next is page range.